So finally, after counting down to 0, we are launching the boat today. Bonjour,
Bonjour,
monsieur.
Yes,
Bonjour.
nice to meet you.
So I started getting her out of bed at 7:30. so we almost made it until 10.
Le bateau, il est beau? Ouais, magnifique.
Oh, the stickers are on there. First we are checking it out. There's still a lot of work to be done. And then Frank Darnett, he said, but I think, because Mark was saying, I like it more like this and that, and then Frank Darnett said, oh, I have something for you, and then he brought this one.
It looks like Marika is getting very emotional.
If you look at it now, then you don't think they will be splashing it on Monday.
But even after Monday, there's still be a lot of things.
Yeah, of course. There's so many people working in the boat at the moment. But it's amazing what Outremer achieved in the couple of weeks that we were not there.
Navigation lights out there.
Oh, there, yeah, it's very small, very good. A very impressive mast. And we decided to have the red, white and blue in the top of it. And it's a little bit in between the Dutch and the French flag. Outremer is really busy. It's very difficult for them to find spots in the harbor for all the boats that they deliver. On this exciting day, Mark, you didn't have to bring all your stuff. Yeah. This sounds better. I lost Mark in the process. Okay. Oh, it looks perfect.
Wow.
It looks so perfect. Ze hebben veel gedaan, hè? Ja, ik denk het ook. It started early this morning. De boot is nog niet helemaal klaar, maar net niet helemaal. And then there's the big moment. The boat moves out of the factory. This driver, he is amazing. He brings the boat totally safe through the small, narrow reeds to the harbor. It hardly fits, but not a scratch.
Bravo!
And then there's the serenade for the boat.
So, there's room to splash now. Thanks, Julia.
Regarde les professionnels travailler.
So they open the bilges to check whether something is leaking when they put it in the water.
God,
That looks nice.
that's an amazing boat. And then Greatcircle is floating in the water. It floats!
Checking whether there's no water.
Bonjour, madame et messieurs. Nous sommes très heureux avec such a beautiful boat. We continue in English. We realized that we made some different choices than others in the Outremer environment, because we wanted to have a boat that really sails well, that has a good quality, but also has all the luxury that we wanted in, and that is comfortable and very cozy on the inside. And I thank you very much until now.
Thank you.
Bravo!
And then all the festivities are over. Mark and I are the only ones left on the boat. And then we're sitting there thinking about all the plans that we are making, about the world trip that we are going to make, and thinking about all the beautiful destinations that we are going to visit.